everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. So I recently got some new headphones. These are the Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones, and they also come with this carrying case. And as usual, got my handy dandy knife for unboxing, and we're also going to be doing the comparison. These are my 4-year-old Skullcandy Uproar wireless headphones. The pads, you can see that they're not very worn. These have been replaced. These were replaced last December, I believe. So, and now I guess we can take this out of the bag. Hard to do with my hand. Here, I'll just set this down and pull the bag away. Alright, there we go. So yeah, here they are. And you can see the reflection from my flash. And the packaging looks very nice. Like, it's almost like an Apple product almost. Yeah. Alright, so I guess we can take the handy dandy knife and cut the plastic. Alright, so now I've taken off the plastic. So now we should be able to open the box. It goes around like this. Oh, okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a magnet. Very premium experience. Flip this open. And of course, it is upside down. Alright, so we got instructions and things. And I'm assuming in here is where the headphones are. I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna set down the camera so I can unwrap the headphones. So actually, they come in this nice little pouch. This is kind of cool. I think I'll keep this. And here are the headphones themselves. So before we look at that, let's look at what else is in the box. So let's see. And here, alright, quick start guide. This looks like just instructions on how to use it. Okay. Alright. Now let's look inside this box, which I'm not certain on how to open. I'm assuming this is like this, just the charger. Well, I didn't really want to unbox like that, but okay. Alright, so let's see. Here's a micro USB cable. Really hard to unbox with one hand. An auxiliary cable with what looks to be the volume up and down, and another miniature manual. Oh, warranty. Okay. And I don't think... Yeah, I think we got everything. Okay. Of course, I will be looking back through this afterwards just to make sure, because I don't want to accidentally throw anything important away. And now, here is the carrying case. And it looks like this one I'm going to need to cut open. And here is the case. I think there's something in there. Unzip it. Alright, so in here we have what looks to be like a little pocket thing. I'm not exactly sure. Now there's even a little handle on this. So I'm gonna set this down. Actually, alright, let's take out this thing. Yeah, this looks to be like it's a pocket, and maybe like Velcro or something. Does it like just go in here? Yeah, it does. Cool. So it just sticks right in there like Velcro. And let's see, I think you can just put the headphones in there like so. Then you can close it and zip it up. I'm not going to zip it up because I actually want to look at these headphones. Here they are. These are some nice looking headphones. Alright, so I'm going to open these up. I'm going to pair them to my computer. And then I'm going to play a song through the headphones. You won't be able to hear it, obviously, but I'm going to give you an idea on what I think is better. So I'm probably going to play something like Bass I Love You, because I that song's really good for like, it apparently has like the most bass in the world or something, but I really like it. So that's what I'm going to be playing, and we're going to be comparing these to these Uproar wireless headphones. Now for the first time, we're going to unfold these headphones. Alright, so noticing just something I'm a little bit concerned about. I'm not sure if like that's important. I'm pretty sure it is, but the cable that's right out there, it looks pretty strong, so I don't think it's gonna tear anytime soon. So yeah, now I'm gonna put these on, pair them to my computer, and we're gonna find out which one is better. These work very well. Also, they're very noise isolating, so I can't hear much of anything outside if I have these on. So now we're gonna go test back, turn these ones back on. I've been using these ones for like 4 years now. I already said that. Alright, so let's turn off these ones, connect up these ones, and play the song again for the same 57 seconds. Now that I haven't even paired these yet, but I put these back on and they feel just so much looser. Probably the material in it's probably broken down a lot. So probably when I first got them, they probably fit a lot more snugly. But now they're probably worn out. That makes sense. 4 years. All right. Now I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna pair these and play the song again. So, another thing I've noticed, these ones, they do sound okay. These sound pretty good. I've noticed like the bass, it's a little bit flatter, but I never really knew much different. I use these headphones because I never really knew much of a difference. I thought because I've had these ones for so long. um, I mean, I've had like earbuds and stuff, but these ones, yeah, these ones are awesome. I mean, these sound great. I love the noise isolating fit, and they actually fit my head, and they don't look like they're stretching out. But one thing I did notice with those, the new ones, the Crusher Wireless, I have a big head, so I have to extend them all the way out. But if I want to fold it back up, I have to fold it all the way back down. I don't know. Well, it makes sense for like compactness, but it's okay. I like these ones, they'll tend to like move back and then get all in really weird sizes for no reason. But yeah, so it's the next day now. I thought I finished recording this video, but apparently I did not. There was some other stuff, extra stuff that I wanted to add to the video, and for one, I've noticed like with these headphones, these are they're heavy headphones, like compared to these ones. So like maybe at least it's been happening to me, probably because I'm so used to these ones. So it's probably something I'm gonna need to adjust to. But I've noticed that with these ones, they'll apply a lot of pressure to your head, and that can cause a headache after maybe like half an hour, 45 minutes of use. But you can probably that's probably something to get used to. And also another thing I didn't mention, there's this slider right down here on the side, and what that does is that adjusts the bass. Adjusts that ain't a word. Yeah, like right now I have it turned down all the way, because I was watching a YouTube video and didn't need the bass. You can crank it up all the way up there. That's max bass. When I'm listening to music, I usually had it like right around there, around like halfway or so. I was a little less than halfway, but yeah. And also, these have 40 minutes, or 40 minutes, 40 hours of use before they die when you have the bass all the way down. And they have a feature called Rapid Charge, where you can plug it in for 10 minutes and you can get 3 hours of use. These ones, they lasted about 10 hours, I believe. So yeah, I get 4 times as much battery with these ones. And also, last night I was wearing these listening to music while I was doing dishes. And the noise isolation on these are really, really good. I couldn't even hear the water running, and I couldn't hear it falling down into the stainless steel sink. So yeah, that's pretty much the extra stuff I wanted to add. So yeah, back to the video I thought I was done with from yesterday. I forgot to say that I'll leave, I don't know if I did say it or not, because it's the next day. In the link down below, you can there'll be linked to Skullcandy's website where you can buy both the Crusher wireless headphones and the Uproar wireless headphones. So now, actually, back to the video from yesterday. Would I recommend you buy these? Yes. do buy these. I'll leave a link down in the description. And if you want these, you can still buy them, and they're great. If I can talk right, they're great headphones. They are great. These both are great I can't talk. I cannot talk today. These are both great headphones. So, yeah, that's all I have to say. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye. In the meantime, stay awesome. And I'm gonna be relaxing and self-quarantine, doing the whole social distancing thing, listening to music with these. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.